Recording. Okay, so with the COVID-19 and the lack of masks, I just wanted to put out a hack for people in case, worst case scenario, you need a mask. You can do so with an ordinary paper towel, a stapler, and a couple of elastics. And you just start by accordioning, if that's such a word, your paper towel. I've actually pre-folded this one, so made it easy, but it works out pretty well. And you can even do it with a half of paper towel. You don't need a whole thing. And just pleat it up nice. Take your elastic, put it there. I only have a small little stapler. It doesn't really matter. You can still jam it in there. So staple it there, and just for good measure, staple it on the other side. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this end here. And squish it down. Again, you don't even need a big stapler. You can just use those little, this is just a little stapler. And I'm going to do it from both sides, just to make sure. And open up your pleats. Like so. And then these are going to go around your ears. This will go over your nose and your chin. And you've got a mask. Simple as that. You can actually spray it, spritz it with a little spray bottle with some alcohol on the outside if you want to. It's not medically grade or, of course, you know, as sterile as it could be, but in a pinch, when you need one, there's your mask. Thanks for watching.